I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and you've enabled location. Now start the check-in process. On mobile, open the Facebook app. On desktop, go to your newsfeed. Tap the status composer labeled "What's on your mind?" or click into the post box. Once there, choose the check-in icon or type a business name in the location field to prompt suggestions. Make sure your device has accurate GPS for best suggestions and pick the correct account if you manage multiple pages. Now choose the exact place and personalize the post. Start typing a business or place name. Select from the autofill list Facebook provides. Once selected, add a caption, photos, or tag friends to give context. This increases visibility. Then set who can see the check-in by tapping the privacy selector and picking public, friends, or a custom list. Make sure the place pin matches the physical spot. If not, edit the map pin or choose another suggested result so people know where you were. Finish by hitting post or share and confirm the check-in appears on your timeline. If the location doesn't show, first toggle location services off and on, restart the app, or clear the app cache. These quick steps refresh suggestions. If the place is not listed, create a new place using accurate address and category or report incorrect place details. Finally, make sure your privacy settings didn't block visibility. Adjust them and reshare if friends still can't see the check-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.